Want to replace the door hook on your washing machine? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, a towel, and a new door hook. Step 1. Remove the door from the washing machine. Loosen the screws on the hinge and carefully remove the door from the appliance. Step 2. Remove the old door hook. Loosen all the screws from the outer edge of the door. Then remove it. Next, remove the door hook. Step 3. Insert the new door hook. Put the outer edge back in place, making sure the door hook is in the right place. Tighten all screws again. Step 4. Place the door back on the washing machine. Tighten the screws of the door hinge back onto the appliance. You have replaced the door hook and the washing machine is ready to use again.